Good news for all the aspiring beauties जो पहनना चाहती हैं beauty crown on their head. टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया का इनिशिएटिव कैंपस प्रिंसेस लेकर आया है उन सभी टैलेंटेड यंग डीवास के लिए ऐसी ही एक अपॉर्चुनिटी. वेल, कैंपस प्रिंसेस इज एन इनिशिएटिव व्हिच स्काउट्स फॉर यंग टैलेंट बाय एंगेजिंग विद द स्टूडेंट कम्युनिटी. और ऐसा ही कुछ हुआ रिसेंटली एट द मिठीबाई कॉलेज इन मुंबई. द कैंपस प्रिंसेस ऑडिशंस वर हेल्ड एट द मैटनी प्रोजेक्ट व्हिच इज द इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल ऑफ मिठीबाई कॉलेज. A whole lot of young and talented girls participated in the auditions, जिसे जज करने पहुंची former Miss Indias Zoya Afroz and Shrishti Rana.
As I said, it's better to be on the other side, but it's also very difficult. Actually, अब समझ में आ रहा है कि कितनी मुश्किलों से जजेस को एक या दो लड़की पिकअप करनी मिलती है. Because जब हम when we used to participate, I thought judges, oh, it's very easy. Come sit, select some girls, and it'll be easy. But when I judged, I realized no, it's not. It's very difficult, and but it's fun, and we see a lot of good talents coming in. They answer very well. They walk very well. So it's a little difficult job, a little bit.
Our experience has always been so good because I have been to many college auditions now. And I would say it's a tough job to judge as well. As I have walked the ramp, it was we used to be so nervous, and you know, it is always there inside you. But being on the other side is more, I think it's more of a responsibility that you have to pick a girl who fits the criteria, who's confident, who has those qualities. So it's not really an easy job.
लेकिन हर कंपटीशन में होते हैं कुछ विनर्स एंड दिस वाज नो डिफरेंट. इस ऑडिशन के विनर्स रहीं श्री राधे कंदूजा एंड केतकी तांबे.
I feel amazing and I miss my mom a lot at the moment because she's always there to encourage me, and I'm from Jai Hind College, and in spite of that, the moment I came on the stage, the crowd was cheering, and then later on so they were like, okay, my contestant number was 1, and they were like, yeah, number one. So it gives you a lot of, you know, confidence. Even if you don't win, you know that people have liked you and they've seen what you stand for. So it was really good being here.
It's great, seriously. It's amazing being here. I mean, I don't even belong to Mithibai College, and the crowd has been so encouraging, and they're very good people and amazing. I felt so at home. I'm from KC, but Mithibai is just amazing. This is the first time being here, and yet the crowd was amazing. They're so encouraging, so accepting, and it's great being here.
वैसे इन विनिंग ब्यूटीज के अलावा वी ऑल्सो कॉट अप विद द कॉलेज हेड जिन्होंने इस पूरे आइडिया को एग्जीक्यूट किया. लेट्स लिसन टू व्हाट ही हैज टू से.
I think it was executed very well. I think it's a lovely experience because the platform that we provide is a lovely platform to promote young talent.
और इस पूरे कॉन्सेप्ट की सबसे खास बात ये है that the winners of this audition will get a direct entry in the final round of Miss Diva 2014. So all you ladies buck up as Campus Princess can drop in your city anytime soon. To apply, send in your profile and portfolio at campusprincess.times@gmail.com. Bureau Report, Zoom, Mumbai.